boxes of cereal on a shelf. 5 are bran cereal. 1 is puff, and 1 is granola. And you want to arrange those boxes on the shelf because you're like, oh, how many ways can you arrange them? I don't know why you'd want to spend time rearranging them, but maybe you do. Okay? How is this an identical objects question? Well, the 5 boxes of bran cereal are identical. So we can actually make this into a word. We can go B for bran, so we have 5 boxes of bran, right? Puffed wheat I'm going to do with a P, and granola with a G. This would be like if you were named, right? And if that was your name, how many ways could you rearrange the letters to make a password? Well, normally it would be 6 factorial. And I don't know what happened to this B here. It just 7 factorial, thank you. There's 7 letters. 7 factorial. But then we have 5 B's, which is 5 factorial. And this is mental math. You should be able to do this in your head. 42. How did you do that? Right? Right? You're not going to do 5,040 divided by 120, but you expand, when you're simplifying factorials, remember you expand the bigger one. The bigger one is 7. You keep going until you're like, oh, there's a 5. That would simplify, and we would get 42. What number is 7 factorial?
Yeah.
It is.
What is?
It means 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And be 5,040 if you multiplied all those out. I don't know all of them. I know 7. And I know 8. A 9, that's, I wouldn't be able to tell you right off. I could figure it out. Right? And then 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That's 120. And if you did 5,040 divided by 120, you're going to get 42. But it's a lot easier mental math to start expanding it so that you can cancel them out. Right? Because if 5 factorial is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, all of these would simplify when you're dividing, and then you're just left with 7 times 6, and get 42 that way. Okay. Questions to circle on this one, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And we'll go to